Woo, guys, this just arrived moments ago. I've been waiting for 2 days for this thing. I'm excited. Yes, it's another G-Shock, but it is the G-Shock of all G-Shocks, at least for me. I've owned several G-Shocks. I've made videos on several G-Shocks, but this one, by far, is the best, in theory. It's the best one I've ever bought and owned. So, without further ado, let's open it up. I am so excited. So, obviously, standard paperwork, blah, 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 who cares? Okay. But I think, yes, it does come in another box. I like that. I love, you know you're getting a good quality G-Shock when they come in a steel or an aluminum case, box, whatever you want to call this. It's metal of some kind. I don't know if it's aluminum, don't quote me on that. So, I'll be taking off this trusty vintage one here in a second. Here we go. Here we go. That was in the lid. So here's the Casio International Warranty card. Very cool. Don't care. Yes. Ooh, this thing's got some weight to it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man. Brand new confirmed. Very nice. Love to see that. This is my first ever G-Shock from the G-Steel series. And, not the Flex, but they don't exactly give these away. So, look at this. It looks good on camera, but it looks even better in person. That is nice. That is so nice. So, let me unbuckle. Ooh, even the band is nice. I'm not crazy about resin bands, but this, it goes so well with the black and gold. This band does. So the band will definitely be staying on. No problem with that at all. Get some of the film off real quick. I've been thinking about this watch for 2 days straight. Watching videos on it, like that's when I know I'm gonna like something. So you guys know my 10 watch rule when it comes to the more, expensive watches. I am only allowed myself 10. One of these will be eliminated to make room for this. And it's between the Naruto and the Orient. I really like the Orient Panda. I've shown this one plenty of times. I love this one a lot. And I think I love it more than the Naruto. So I think the Naruto is going to be on eBay. So, and I do have the original band as well. I just was not a fan of it. This one has not been worn much. So if you're interested, my eBay store is always linked in the description. But I believe this just got demoted. In fact, we're going to make it official. Bye-bye. Seiko Naruto watch. It's a beautiful watch. I just never wear it. I'm also not the biggest fan of Naruto, but real quick, I'll show you. There's the front. There's the back. It's an automatic, so you see the movement with the, I guess it's Boruto? Boruto? I don't know how to say it. I'm not a fan of the anime. I just thought the watch looked cool. But yeah, so, yep, look for this one on eBay very soon. Probably later today, to be honest. And, yeah. So, with that being demoted, let's get back to the actual point of this video, I should say. So let me, I know there's a break in the film somewhere. At least I think there is. Yeah, there we go. I can't believe the heft that this thing has. You know what? Give me a second. It's easier to do when I'm not hugging a camera. Trying to get some film off. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really, really nice. Look at that. That is a beautiful watch. Absolutely beautiful. Very nice indeed. Still gotta set it up though. So there's the back. G-Shock Resist. So, very nice. But yeah, this is my first G-Steel Casio G-Shock. A lot of names. It's Bluetooth. I'm kind of reading the back as I go. 5513, so I do want to add that to the app later on. But yeah, wow. Very nice. I need to set up the watch now. So I'm going to take my vintage G-Shock off currently, real quick. Grab my phone, open up the app, we'll do it live. Why not? Well, not live, but record it. You know what I'm saying. You guys probably know by now when I say live, I don't actually mean live, you know, so. Okay, so just like last time, it's asking for the 4 digits on the back, which is 5513. So we're going to enter that in. 5513. Next. Alright, now we're going to look for my exact one, which is black and gold. Is mine the GB? Let's see what the tag says. Mine is the GB1A9, okay? So mine would be the GB1A9 right there. Perfect. Alright, hold down the button for about 2 seconds. This thing might just be dead. I mean, it's probably been in the box for a little while because it's not reacting at all. The cool thing is it's a tough solar watch, so it's powered by solar, which is, you know, I'll go outside in the sun, it'll start coming alive. I think that's what I'll have to do. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back. I need to run some errands anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and wear it. And it should come alive momentarily while I'm out and about. So, be right back. And of course, while I'm out, look, it came alive. I told you just need to be exposed to the sun for a little bit. It's been in that box probably for, well, since it was manufactured. So who knows how long that's been. Look at that. It's coming alive now, though. Very nice. Out of nowhere, I was just happened to look at it, and it just started ticking. Definitely the time is set wrong, so I'm gonna set that up in the app, and then we'll continue with the unboxing and first look. All right, cool. All right, the watch is winding itself. I just paired it up with the iPhone, and it's now to the correct time, and it's currently setting to the correct day. Very cool. Love to see it come alive. I love tough solar watches. I think they're so cool. And I've got a few of them. This is definitely by far my best tough solar and best G-Shock watch that I own now. Very cool. Okay, so as you saw in the iPhone clips, it is indeed working, and I actually went through just now the app, now that it's had some time to charge. It still needs to do more charging, so I'm going to put it under one of my charging lamps, that because it's solar. So this lamp is specifically made for solar watches, and it'll charge it up no problem. But yeah, I went through the app, and now I've got world time set to Tokyo and home time set to Chicago, which is, you know, closest to me because I'm in Central Time. I'm in Kansas City. The closest location with a signal, one of the radio frequency towers or whatever, is Chicago. So that's where I got it set to. So very nice. Very happy with this watch. It's definitely heavy, and I've already gotten some compliments on how beautiful the watch is. So, very happy. This is absolutely my favorite G-Shock I've ever owned. It is the best G-Shock I've ever owned, and definitely the most expensive. And it'll now be added to the collection, probably in the 5th spot. So, I will be moving all of these down, because I do have these ranked. So, yeah, it deserves spot number 5, because I love these more than it, but not by a lot, so it'll go there. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come, stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.